Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review, swatch, and tutorial on the Balm Cosmetics Read My Lips Lip Gloss infused with ginseng. And this is the particular shade Balm, which is more of a strawberry pink shade in my opinion. There are 11 shades to choose from, and for this gloss in particular, I feel like the collection definitely screams summer. There's nudes, there's warm pinks, there's reds, there's berries, and I chose this one for my preference. So for reference, my skin is dry to normal, my lips are also dry to normal, I have medium to tan olive skin, so all of the lip products I use definitely change for the skin tone that you have, and I have an olive yellow undertone, so this shade definitely is very warm on my skin tone. And I also want to mention that it does retail for $15 for 6.5 milliliters of product. It's very enhancing. It's a glossy formula. It's fortified with ginseng. It's highly pigmented, and it's ultra moisturizing. I also do want to mention that you do have to dip your applicator, which is this doe foot applicator, in the product a few times to build up the product, but that's great for those of you who just want a natural kind of splash of color, or you want that full pigmented look like this tutorial that I have shown on my lips today. So that was my video, guys. This is the shade Balm, and I definitely love the Balm Cosmetics and their lip products. They're very comfortable, they're very beautiful on the lips and comfortable, and I can't wait to use another one of their shades, but hope it helped you out in any way that it could. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other lip swatches, and my playlist and everything, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys!